Are your YouTube comments completely missing, or are they turned off on your own videos? It's frustrating, but it's usually caused by one of three hidden settings. Whether you're a creator or a viewer, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it right now. First, if you're a creator, go to YouTube Studio, click on Content, and select the specific video that is having issues. Let's say it's this video. Hit the edit button at the top. Scroll down to the audience section. This is the most common culprit. If your video is set to yes, it's made for kids, YouTube automatically disables comments to protect children. If your video isn't actually for kids, switches to no, it's not made for kids. Next, tap on more options. Scroll down until you see comments. Simply make sure this is set to on and hit save at the top right. But you don't want to do that for every single video, right? Here's how to fix it globally. Go back to the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon on top right, go to settings and tap on audience, and here you can set your channel default to no, not made for kids. This ensures comments are enabled by default for all future uploads. Finally, if you're just watching a video and can't see comments, you might be in restricted mode. Tap on your profile icon, hit the gear icon, click on general, and make sure restricted mode is toggled off. Ever wonder how to redeem your YouTube Premium? Check out this video now.